Hello and welcome to another update video about RNDR. RNDR is one of these charts that we discussed in recent weeks for a potential 1-2 setup. So basically that we had a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave pullback, which landed in our support region, which was well communicated between $2.94 and $3.64. And we've seen first good and promising reactions here. And the next objective for the bulls will be a break above that $4.14 level, the previous swing high. I mentioned it already in the last video a few days ago that I assume that the Thursday low was a more meaningful one. I assume it until the market proves me wrong. But again, I have all reasons to believe that a correction finished here because, first of all, we have a 5-wave move up from a potentially substantial low that formed actually in April. So 5-wave move up indicates to us that the market wants to go higher, and a 3-wave corrective pullback, really nice corrective pullback in which the C wave had 5 waves, also exactly as it should be. And now the market seems to be moving higher in this third wave to the upside. Yeah, this is in line with what I see in the broader crypto sector. Again, my communication at the moment is that we are dealing with some really promising altcoin setups. I shared that already a couple of days ago on X. Did say that over the past few weeks, we've seen some of the most promising altcoin setups in months, maybe even the past year. So most of you who are following us, I share some of these on X. So most of you who are following us here on YouTube or X are very well aware of this. And again, you know, if it's starting, it likely begins here. I'm talking about a larger altcoin rally. Can I guarantee it? No, but you know, if it's starting, it starts from here. Make also sure that you follow us on X here for additional setups and updates. Now I just have to find the render chart. Ah, yeah, okay. So again, why do we have some of these most promising altcoin setups? Well, I don't know why, but it's sentiment, you know. But my point is, we have a 5-wave move up, which we haven't had in a very, very long time. Yeah, for example, just to give you an example, the last significant rally occurred in August 24, between August 24 and December 24, and it ended as a 3-wave move. But this actually is a 5-wave move up. And we had a 3-wave pullback into support, and we start to see micro impulses from those lows. So it's really promising. And you know, it's still, you know, they're still altcoins, so they're still experiments, and we shouldn't be too bullish, you know, and everything, and lose control, you know. But we're still looking for higher prices here, as long as the Thursday low is holding. And I've highlighted here how the next rally could look like. So if we're really now in a third wave, as shown in yellow, the market should get to $10.40 or higher. That is the first ideal target for a third wave. First ideal target for a viable third wave. When we get there, I can add support for wave 4. On the way to this target, the price ideally now forms a micro 5-wave move in what would be wave 1 of circle wave 3, first rally. Then there would be at some point a bit of a pullback, can be shallow. If the market is bullish, it's shallow. Then we get a third of a third wave, fourth and a fifth. So that's how it would likely grind higher, yeah, over the next few weeks. So that's what I'm tracking. A third wave can be fast, however, which, you know, if you follow our tutorial videos as well. Yeah, that's the update on RNDR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.